Hello everyone, it's Tails here, and in today's video, we're gonna do something special. We are gonna do every animation on this screen right here of what characters do when you honk the horn. Because once I figured out how to honk the horn, I'm like, oh my goodness, so many animations. From the boards to the cars. So I'm gonna start off with the boards. With from Sonic with the DLC, then Super Sonic Class with the boards, and then all of them with the cars. As you know, the Hatsune Miku event has been finished, and I've been playing it for a while. And look, I got the thing here that says the thing that catches your heart, and even got the little Hatsune Miku horn from one of the cars that you know. Without further ado, let's get on to every character's animations when you honk the horn on that screen, because you can't do it on this screen with the character selection, sadly. Stupid fly. Anyway, let's start off with Sonic the Hedgehog himself. The overrated favorite, everyone. Yep, that's all he does. Just be like, alright. Now for my favorite character, doesn't matter what skin it is, it will do the same animation. This one. Such a cutie patootie. And then we got Knuckles. He does a little fist bump into the air. If you have to see it all for yourself, you must press on for your character and see the character animation a bit better if it goes off screen. And then we got Amy. I like Amy. There we go. She's cute. And then for the cream and cheese. Look how cute that is. I like cream. And everyone's favorite, Big the cat. Look at that. He's literally just minding his own business. He's chilling. Now for everyone's favorite future hedgehog, Silver. Oh, gone a little bit extra now, have you? Nice. Everyone's favorite purple cat, Blaze the cat. Look at that. She does a nice little spin. Everyone's favorite ultimate life form, Shadow. Nice little backflip there, Shadow. Everyone's favorite mummy material, Rouge. Oh. Then we got Omega. He's a nice robot. Does a nice little spin. He then has to go a little bit extra doing that, and when selecting you, that's all he does when you honk the horn. And then we got Espio. Spin. Oh, Charmy. They just show character full here because it goes off screen. There you go. Charmy. Do a little float when you honk the horn. Then Sabok. Let me show the character because it goes a little bit off screen as well. Look at that epic backflip. Oh, got a little bit extra, Sabok. Now for the crazy person with autism, me, we got this guy. Now we got Eggman, a nice rival of Sonic. Ugh, my arm hurts. Oof. Shows the master plan. There we go. Everyone's favorite metal, Sonic. But you know, it doesn't do the same animation as this one. And who invited this guy again? Anyway, he does a nice little jump when you honk the horn. Doesn't matter what skin you play, this one or that one. It does the same animation. With Sage. She's a cutie patootie. We got the annoying bird. That's Jet the Hawk. Who's your favorite Sonic character? Leave a comment down below while I'm doing all this for you guys. Because my favorite is Tails, Shadow, Blaze, Amy. Realizing that Wave is quite a good material for girls who can play the game. There's a nice little like fist bump like so. He's very epic. Now for the DLC characters. Sonic the Werehog. Oh, very scary, Sonic. Now for everyone's favorite Sonic Prime character, which is mine. We have got a nice little jump there. Then we got Knuckles the Dread, or Captain, and does a nice little fist bump. Rusty Rose. Nice little jump, Rusty. Now for Hatsune Miku. She has a little like woggle right there. Now for the character you unlock for doing like every Grand Prix with every rival. It doesn't have to all be random, you could just like pick the rivals, that way you don't get them all by random and just guess. But look at this animation, there's a nice little jump there. Now for every character in a car with honking horns. Sorry for being super annoying, it does take time to like pick the character and like do the cars. This is what they probably don't show you of what they do. They probably like edit this all out, but I'm unfiltered, unedited. I do everything non-scripted. Everything's all done by me. Holding a phone by me, doing like the zoom in and zoom outs now by me, that sort of thing. There's Sonic honking the horn with a car. Now I got my favorite Tails. Nice little honk right there, Tails. Now for Knuckles, DK not to honk the horn. Very nice honk, Knuckles. Now for Amy Rose. Nice little honk there, Amy. Now for Cream, the rabbit on the car. Honk honk. So cute, Cream. Now for Big the cat, everyone's favorite cat. Oh, he does a little thumbs up. Anyway, honk honk. Look at that, he's so cute. Anyway, everyone's favorite feature, Silver. Look at that new lights, honk Silver. Now for everyone's favorite purple cat, Blaze, that honks the horn. Let's see. Honk honk. Nice little honks there. Now for everyone's favorite ultimate life form, Shadow. Honk honk. Oh, he looks at the camera when he does that. Now for everyone's favorite mummy material again, Rouge. Honk honk. Very nice honk, Rouge. Now for Omega. It's time to honk the horn. Honk honk. Now for Vector. Honk honk. Very cool honk there. Now for SBO. Time to honk the horn. Honk honk. Very cool. Now for Charmy Bee. Time for you to honk the horn. Honk honk. You're so cute actually. You know you're goddamn annoying. Now for Starbucks honking. Honk honk. Very epic honk. Honk honk. Very nice honk. Now for Eggman. He has the master plan. He's very intelligent. Honk honk. Very nice honk, Eggman. Everyone's favorite metal, Sonic. Honk honk. Very nice honk there. Again, who invited this guy? Who said, oh yes, Eggpond, everyone's favorite Sonic character of all time. Nice honk. Then we got Sage. Time for you to honk the horn of the car. Again, doesn't matter what skin, it'll do the same animation. Then we got Jet the Hawk. It's time for you to honk the horn. Very nice honk. I know it looks uncanny that these characters that go on boards iconically in cars. Honk honk. Very nice honk wave. Now for Storm. Okay, Storm. Time for you to honk the horn. Okay, very nice honk, Storm. Now for the DLC characters. Sonic the Werehog. Let's see you. Honk the horn. Honk honk. Time for 9 to honk the horn. Honk honk. Time for Knuckles the Dread. Honk honk. Very nice honk. Now for Rusty Rose. Honk the horn. Very nice honk, Rusty. Now for Hatsumeka. Oh, she says Sega! That's so cute. Anyway, honk honk. Very nice honk, Hatsune Miku. Now finally, we have Supersonic. Time to honk the horn. Honk honk. Very nice honk. And that is all the characters honking horns from boards to cars. If you enjoyed this video, again, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this little silly video of just me honking the characters' horns and seeing their cool little animations. This is all I have to say about this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Tails out.